We make knowledge videos for teachers so they can enhance their digital course with video content. Provide this video content to students and especially to students with disabilities. To make these videos, we use a lot of Pearl Minis.
Some of our students do remote learning. We started those courses this year, and now we have 50 students who are following our course remote.
And the big advantage for the students is that they can watch it when they want, and they don't have to come to the classroom for that specifically.
In the past we had big log devices with big cameras.
We had like a mobile set we would place in classrooms, but it was very big, very large.
You have to really look which button to click on, and sometimes you just push the wrong button, so that at the end of the day you didn't have your video.
Our distributor came with a solution, the Pearl Mini. We saw it and we thought, oh, this could be a potential device for replacing our old mobile web lectures. We did some tests with it. In comparison with other brands, the Pearl integrates perfect with Kaltura. It's very easy to use and it always works.
The Pearl Mini is much simpler to use and takes up much less space than the other devices I used in the past. And it doesn't draw your attention as a teacher anymore.
For Thomas More, Pearl Mini was a very good product. This is a thing that they could use in their Kaltura and the university.
Each person using Kaltura has a serial ID. They just put it in on its touchscreen. Kaltura knows, okay, that's that person.
The device automatically sends everything to my personal account, so I can put it in the course for the students.
With this system of making videos and connected to Kaltura, everything works very, very fast. Video clips of theory, the things that you teach every year over and over again. This is something that students can be looking at for years to come.
This is something that you really need, and the way students learn is also changing. So, yeah, I really think this is the direct future.